Hi, I'm Benedicta Nwani. I was one of the participants for the just concluded EVOLVE 2019 program, which is a multidisciplinary program that involves both students and young professionals. So I was the reservoir engineer in the team, and basically what I did was the volumetrics, risking, and economics. I found that the EVOLVE program was a really interesting one as I got to learn a lot from different members of my team at the University of Alberta because I had geologists, geophysicists. So it was interesting how we came up with 4 different investment opportunities and were able to choose one of them. So I never really did anything about petroleum economics in my undergrad or during my master's degree program. So this EVOLVE program really exposed me to such. And thanks a lot to the mentors, the ever able and hardworking mentors that were able to help me out in some of the things that I got confused about. And it was also interesting that there is a bit of a mismatch between what we were taught in school and what is actually applicable in the industry. So basically, this is what I did. I'm just going to give like a brief overview of what I did. I did the formation evaluation, that's a petrophysical analysis, and also the decline curve analysis to see what the decline in the wells in the Gulf of Mexico would be because we worked in the Gulf of Mexico. And then after that, I was able to come up with a cumulative production for a type well and also the cumulative revenue after expenses. And I got to calculate the NPV10 value in order to determine the expected monetary value for our investment. So I would like to encourage students out there or young professionals out there, especially those who have limited experience in the oil and gas industry, to harness this opportunity as a means to learn from others and also share experiences with others. Thank you very much for listening.